Alright, so first off, I'd like to give our praises to Yahweh Bashim Shai. Bashim Kadash, but honestly, Apostle of Greatness Stone. And shalom to the brothers doing the work of the Lord sincerely and in truth. Right, this is the brother Ash from the GMS Jamaica camp. Yeah, coming to you with another impromptu. Right, so the story continues. President Joe Biden is now in office, right? And you have, I guess, you have a lot of jakes out here, for the last 2 days, I've been in 2 intense conversations regarding President Trump and President Biden. You find that most people, taking the side of Biden, and saying Trump was this and Trump was that. But the fact is that the story continues, right? It doesn't matter the president in office, the story continues, right? The results will always be the same, right? And it does show how much people caught up in a seeking, in a looking to them other nations, right? For salvation, right? That's a principle of, it just go for sure. But what they don't know, right, is that Joe Biden is not the salvation for black people, right? For us Israelites, let me be more specific. For us Israelites, for you Native Americans, for you Hispanic and Latinos, right? For you so-called Mexican, right? One of the first executive order where Joe Biden signed is for some form of relief in terms of making immigrants legal. Give certain immigrants, green cards, make them legal in the country, right? And the people will cheer and I say, yeah, Joe Biden, but Uncle Joe is not for you, right? Uncle Joe is to continue the narrative, right? If you realize something where Donald Trump never takes serious, which is the pandemic and the measures, them and things where need to put in place and whatever, as Uncle Joe start enforce them, right? But you see people that you think Uncle Joe or the so-called Democratic Party is here for the peace, right? But as we said, the story continues, right? People keep on think that the election process in America is legitimate, right? The elite put in power who they want to, right? And who are gonna follow them global agenda. Right now there are some rifts now between the elite and things, things supposed to happen versus things will happen, right? Because America still strive, as we always say, to be that the superpower at the end of this whole turnover, but that is not the plan with the elites for the New World Order, right? The New World Order, you're supposed to be a number of nations together as the ruling party, right? Along with some other things like the militaries, becoming one military, one police force, right? Rather than countries having their own military, So they are part of the things where America don't agree with, right? And you say as Uncle Joe come in, which an article I bring out now, as Uncle Joe come in, him dep on the war part, right? Or him not so-called ease tensions where take place with America, Russia, China, Iran, right? The first thing he do never ease the tensions, right? The matter of fact, the first thing he do escalate things, right? I may get to the article, but first let me get this precept. He said, this is Jeremiah 3, verse 23. He said, truly in vain is salvation hoped for from the hills and from the multitude of mountains, right? Talking about the other nations, right? So what people been looking to America like America are gonna be them savior. I mean, you would like to hear how the people when we speak to in the last couple of days, today and yesterday, behave about Trump come out and Joe Biden like the best thing happened to them, right? So the lady today go on to express that Donald Trump doesn't like Israelites or so-called black people, and Donald Trump was planning to kill out all black people. But what I tell her is that she's directing all her energy towards Donald Trump, when in truth and in fact, right, is not just Trump. She's behaving like she's saved, right? Like Uncle Joe come save her, right? You're not saved, yo. You're not saved. You're not saved until your Hawashai, is standing among us once more, yo. Until then, you're not saved. Right? Uncle Joe didn't come to save you. Right? Uncle Joe came to see the agenda through. Right? To see the new world order on the side of America through. Right? And the new world order doesn't include you. Right? Let me finish this. He said, truly in vain. He said, truly in vain is salvation hope for from the hills and from the multitude of nations. Truly in the Lord, Yahweh Bashim Yahushai is the salvation of Israel. Right? And that's the only time we're going to save. Right? We're going to save through the Lord, yo. No other way. Right? So it doesn't matter if a president come in and say him love so-called black people or whatever. It doesn't mean you're saved, yo. Right? Look on President Clinton. Right? Clinton it was Hillary who come and apologize for this Tuskegee experiment, but no president before Trump they wasn't expressing how they feel towards you people, right? But what I say is that all them feel the same way, yo. All them use you, right? Like guinea pigs, right? So the lady today was saying that the vaccination was supposed is Trump sending the vaccination to Native Americans and Latinos and blacks first. So I say, okay, then let us see if it's gonna stop. If they're gonna stop doing that, seeing that Mr. Trump is out of office, and then we see if Mr. Biden is for you or not, yo. Right? You people lost, man. It's because my people are destroyed for lack of knowledge. Right? She's even though she lick out against one part of the institution, she still seek somewhere to lay her head. Right? She still seek comfort from it. Right? Let's go to our precept. I think it's chapter Jeremiah 4. Right, so just Jeremiah 4:22. It said, for my people is foolish, they have not known me, they are such children, and they have none understanding. Sorry. They are wise to do evil, but to do good they have no knowledge. Right? And hey, all of you people, who are seek, to America for some form of salvation or some help, right? All of you destroyed, yo. All of you totally destroyed. Right? And the Most High will show you that there is no help in them other nations, yo. The Most High will show you that the only help you have is in Him, yo. Yahweh Bashim Yahushai. Right? Because you know what? When you people start to suffer and start to call up on Joe Biden for help, we're going to see if Joe Biden is going to help you, yo. Joe Biden not going to help you. Right? Where Joe Biden do as him come, Joe Biden I give more rights to the LGBT community. Right? That's what Joe Biden is about. Right? You forget Joe Biden was the right hand man for President Obama. Right? And when Obama visit Jamaica, right? And there's so many things that take place in Jamaica right now. And the only thing Obama could have seek to address was matters relating to the LGBTQ community. Was the only thing Obama could address. Hey, and he was a black president, and y'all stuck your heads up his ass as well, yo. And we're not far from the chaos that are about to start on this planet, yo. We're not far, right? And you're going to see where your help is, or where your help should have been, right? Yeah, I'm going to save the article regarding the war situation, or the intensified war situation with Russia for the next video. So until that one, shalom.